north stand. So the stand I'm in now is the one I shot my doe in. So I wasn't planning on sitting here, but the wind pretty much forced me to sit here. It's coming out of the southeast, so it's blowing this way. And it's blowing into the pasture, but the other one would be blowing into the pasture as well. And it'd be way on the south end of the pasture where all the deer come out, so they would smell me right away. Most of the time, when they come across south of me, and then they come into the field, so it may or may not work in my favor. I don't know yet. I don't know if the wind's going to stay in this direction. When I first got here, it was coming straight out of the south, and now it's changed more towards the west. It's more west than it is south, but we'll see. It's really windy. I had no idea it was going to be this windy today. It was perfectly calm an hour ago. I was told by my new friend Brick that it's going to be 70 tomorrow, and that's probably where this wind is coming from. Up in the direction it's going, I should have a good night, especially with the deer being out so early already. I think that with the deer being out so early, I'm feeling pretty confident. The warmer weather's coming. They seem to move more here in the warmer weather. Today is probably around 60, 65 maybe. It's probably 60. It's only supposed to get down to 55 at sunset. I made a couple mock scrapes the other day. The one had pea on it, the other one didn't seem to be hit. So I hit both those again I hit both those with a stick. I hit both those with a stick. I put some tarsal gland stuff on the limbs. Let's see what's going on in the pasture. I will let you know. Obviously you're going to see what I see. Thought I was going to be able to talk because the wind died down, but it's starting to pick back up again. That squirrel's not having it, man. Got my mask today. I was pissed I forgot it the other day. Not like I needed it. I was so dead. Well, it kept the cold wind off my face. It was probably like 38 by the time I left my tree. We'll say I'm glad all my trail cameras are working. The last couple of days there's been a little bit more activity during daylight. None of the big bucks that I've seen before, but there are deer out here, so that's always a plus. The hot air balloon flew by, and I'll tell you what, that thing was moving. You don't steer a hot air balloon, you can only go with the wind. And that thing was cruising. No way I'd be flying tonight if I had a hot air balloon. He's gonna need to find a landing strip to land, or he's gonna do some major damage to somebody's crops. I can tell you that right now. I've been out here for 3 hours, and I literally literally just now put my arrow in. I just totally forgot setting up the camera and seeing those deer. I just didn't think about putting the arrow in. I just thought about it and I was like, do I even have an arrow in? And turned around and looked. I did not. That's probably it. There's only like 15 more minutes of hunting late. And I just had some does. I didn't know they were there. But they got downwind to me. After I was saying, oh, that's the perfect wind. And then those does walked right down behind me. So, I don't know. I didn't know they were there. They just started snorting. I could still hear them snorting off in a distance. So, there was 2 bucks over there in the pasture. One was that tall, weird-looking buck, and he's still snorting. And then the other one was a small buck. I don't know which one it was. The odds are, next 15 minutes, nothing's gonna come in front of me after her off running her mouth. That's probably it for this vlog. So thanks for watching. Comment down below. Hit that like button. Subscribe.